In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Wrike subscription. Whether you're switching services or simply no longer need Wrike, terminating your subscription is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the details you need to complete the process smoothly. First, let's start by navigating to Wrike's website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up to proceed with the cancellation. Once you've logged in, pay attention to the left sidebar. At the top, you'll see your initials. Now, these initials represent your account profile. Click on them, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with various options. From this menu, you want to select Settings. This section is where you'll find all the configurations and settings related to your account. You have successfully entered the account settings area, which may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We'll keep our focus on the right part of this panel. Within account management, you'll find several subcategories, but your primary point of interest here is settings. This section is dedicated to controlling the broader aspects of your account. It's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Scroll through the options until you see the one labeled Delete Account. Now, it's important to remember that selecting Delete Account is a significant action. Doing so will delete your account information, and you'll no longer have access to any of the workspaces associated with it. So, ensure that this action aligns with your intended course. And if you need any data from your Wrike account, now would be the time to export or back it up somewhere safe. Understand that deleting an account is permanent, so if you're merely looking to pause your subscription, investigate whether a suspension or a downgrade in your subscription plan would suffice. When ready and sure, go ahead and click on Delete Account. You may be asked to provide feedback on why you are leaving. Providing this information can help Wrike improve its services, although it's entirely optional for you to participate. Completing this final step will terminate your subscription. That's it. You've just gone through the procedure to cancel your Wrike subscription, and it should only take a few minutes. Remember to check your email for any confirmations or follow-up steps provided by Wrike just to ensure everything has been processed correctly. Keep in mind that if you change your mind and decide to go back to Wrike, you might have to create a new account and set things up from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made your Wrike cancellation process easier and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials.